Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Sunningdale is a quiet residential neighborhood in Oakville, Ontario, located in the western part of the town near the famous Glen Abbey area. The neighborhood is known for its mature trees, established homes, and proximity to some of the most recognized golf courses in Canada. Unlike newer suburban developments, Sunningdale has a more settled appearance, with winding streets and larger lots that reflect the style of residential planning from earlier decades. One of the defining features of the area is its location between Oakville Golf Club and Glen Abbey Golf Club. These two courses have helped shape the identity of this part of Oakville for generations.
Thank you very much.
The presence of large green spaces, wooded fairways, and rolling terrain gives the neighborhood a quieter and more open feel than many surrounding urban areas. Even for people who do not play golf, the landscape created by the courses adds to the atmosphere of the community. Oakville Golf Club is one of the oldest private golf clubs in Canada, founded in 1898. Over the years, it has become an important part of Oakville's sporting history. The course has evolved many times since its early years, but it continues to reflect the long tradition of golf in the region. The club has attracted generations of members and has remained a well-known landmark within the community. Nearby Glen Abbey Golf Club became internationally recognized after opening in 1976. Designed by legendary golfer Jack Nicklaus, the course quickly gained attention for its challenging layout and dramatic setting along 16 Mile Creek. Glen Abbey hosted the Canadian Open many times and became one of the most recognizable golf venues in the country. Its famous valley holes and steep elevation changes helped make it a defining feature of West Oakville. The residential streets around these golf courses developed gradually over several decades. Homes along Oxford Avenue and nearby roads reflect a mix of architectural styles, including mid-century houses and larger custom homes built in later years. Many properties are surrounded by mature landscaping, creating a sense of privacy and stability. The streets themselves are generally quiet, with less traffic than the busier commercial corridors found elsewhere in Oakville. This part of Oakville also benefits from its natural surroundings. 16 Mile Creek runs nearby, cutting through valleys and wooded sections that have been preserved as part of Oakville's extensive green space network. Parks, walking trails, and ravine systems connect many of the residential areas, giving residents access to outdoor recreation while helping preserve the natural landscape. Wildlife such as deer, rabbits, and many bird species are still commonly seen in these green corridors. Oakville itself is located along the northern shore of Lake Ontario and sits between the cities of Toronto and Hamilton. It has grown into one of the most desirable communities in the region, known for its high quality of life, strong economy, and scenic waterfront. Oakville's history dates back to the early 1800s. It was founded in 1827 by Colonel William Chisholm, who developed the area into a busy shipbuilding and trading port. Its location on Lake Ontario allowed it to become an important hub for timber and grain shipments during the 19th century. As transportation methods changed, Oakville gradually shifted away from shipbuilding and toward manufacturing and residential development. By the mid-20th century, it had become part of the growing suburban ring around Toronto. Today, Oakville is a thriving town with a population of over 200,000 people. Oakville is often recognized for its strong local economy. It is home to a mix of corporate offices, small businesses, and manufacturing facilities. The town also benefits from its proximity to major highways and rail lines, which connect it easily to the rest of southern Ontario. One of Oakville's biggest draws is its waterfront. The town features several parks and harbors along Lake Ontario, including Bronte Harbour and Oakville Harbour. These areas offer walking trails, marinas, and views of the lake that attract both residents and visitors throughout the year. Downtown Oakville, often referred to as Old Oakville, is another highlight. This area features historic buildings, boutique shops, restaurants, and cafes. The streets are walkable and well-maintained, creating a welcoming environment that blends history with modern amenities. Oakville is also known for its extensive park system. With hundreds of parks and kilometers of trails, there are many opportunities for outdoor activities. The town places a strong emphasis on preserving natural areas, including creeks, forests, and shoreline spaces. Oakville has a strong arts and culture scene that adds to its appeal. The town is home to galleries, performance spaces, and community events throughout the year. The Oakville Center for the Performing Arts hosts concerts, theater productions, and cultural events, drawing both local talent and touring performers. Seasonal festivals and waterfront events help bring the community together and give visitors something new to experience at different times of the year. Another defining feature of Oakville is its reputation for safety, cleanliness, and careful planning. The town consistently ranks as one of the most livable communities in Canada. Tree-lined streets, well-maintained public spaces, and thoughtful development contribute to its overall character. Whether you are passing through or staying longer, Oakville stands out as a place that combines history, natural beauty, and modern living in a way that feels both welcoming and well-organized. In many ways, Oakville represents a balance between urban and suburban living. It offers access to big city opportunities while maintaining a quieter, more residential feel. Thanks for watching.